Hello, today I'm going to show you how easy it is for students to create books using WriteReader. Let's get started by clicking the plus button. Then we'll add a title. From there we'll add the author's name. Next, we'll add an image from our image bank. And save it. After that, we can add more pages here. This time, let's use an image from our safe search engine. This section is for the student writing. And this is the adult writing section. You can keep adding pages or find your book on the bookshelf and continue editing at home. Go on, give it a try.